Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the Sangster International Airport and show you the construction that's going on. Now, this is the busiest airport in Jamaica, and I think the busiest airport in the Caribbean, probably outside of, it's the busiest English speaking airport in the Caribbean. The airport in Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic is busier, or those are busier, but this one is the busiest in the English speaking Caribbean. Okay, so there you can see a lot of work being done at the airport. I'm just going to drive around one more time. And this airport welcomed 5 million visitors last year. It's the number one airport in Jamaica, and it brings in 85% of all the tourists that visit Jamaica. So this is a very important airport for Jamaica. Alright, so we're just going to go through an article that gives you an update as to what's going on with the construction at the airport. Faced with the need to cope with increasing passenger traffic, the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay is undergoing further expansion. Under the management of MBJ Airports Limited, Sangster International Airport is now in its 20th year of the concession, and according to Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security, Honorable Dr. Horace Chang, about US 500 million has been invested in the Montego Bay Airport to ensure that we have an airport of international standard and can accommodate all visitors coming here and keep the growth of the tourist industry in place. Ground was broken for the immigration and outbound security expansion by a team of officials that included Dr. Horace Chang, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of National Security, Member of Parliament for Northwest St. James, Honorable Darrell Vaz, Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport. The Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICO, falls under Dr. Chang's portfolio of responsibility, and included in the expansion is further build-out of the arrival section, increasing the size of the immigration area at a cost of US 18 million for more circulation space. Mr. Shane Monroe, CEO of MBJ Airports Limited, outlined a slew of other improvements currently being undertaken at the airport, including a new departures loop separating arriving and departing passengers, expansion of the check-in area, new screening lanes for outbound security. The area at gates 6 and 7 will be expanded with the addition of a new ramp and renovation of this space with new tiles and ceilings. Additionally, a new elevator is to be added to Gate 8 to improve passenger facilitation. Mr. Monroe also disclosed that the Air Sea Lounge for passengers flying into board cruise ships is also being refurbished and will be ready for use during the current winter tourist season. Mr. Diedrich disclosed that up to this year, capital injection in the airport amounted to over US 300 million, and MBJ is now embarking on 3 major capital programs under its current master plan, estimated at over US 100 million, excluding the US 70 million now being spent by the AAJ and Government of Jamaica through the Airport Improvement Fund for the runway extension, which he said was practically completed and in operation. With projected growth in tourism, which will drive airport traffic growth and hence demand capacity for the Sangster International Airport, another master plan is currently being developed to take SIA beyond the current concession term, which ends in 2033. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So it's like every week you hear about a new airline flying into Jamaica, which is great. Everybody can come. Jamaica has a far way to go to be the number one tourist destination in Jamaica, in the Caribbean. We have to catch the Dominican Republic. And I think the Dominican Republic has 8 million visitors a year, or 8 million people use our airports every year. Mark you, that's spread up around 3 airports. At the top 10 airports in the Caribbean, the Dominican Republic has 3. Jamaica has 2, with the Sangster International and the Norman Manley. Remember, this is just passenger traffic. It's not really broken down as to tourist or domestic. So we have a long way to go, and we are on track to get there, because every year this airport increases its traffic. I mean, we're going to do an article on it, but so many new airlines have started routes to Jamaica, and they're all coming to Sangster International Airport. I remember once I was doing a video out here, and within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, 8 planes either took off or landed. I was amazed at how busy this airport is. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also, we'll keep you guys updated. We'll give you update videos on this project and all the major projects going on in Jamaica every 2 weeks. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.